Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 27 at 60 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Mr. Speaker, if agricultural production has to be maximized, the greatest attention has to be given to 4 factors. First, seeds should be of the right quality, fertilizers and high yielding varieties of seeds. Then there should be improved pesticides and water irrigation facilities. As regards these 4 factors, it is interesting to see that government does not appear to have paid any attention to certain malpractices. In the case of seeds, there is no mention at all of the fact that a large percentage of these so-called improved or high-yielding varieties of seeds are adulterated. What steps has the government taken in this regard? Is it not of vital importance that seeds should be pure and unadulterated? Their role in the maximized production is very great. Next para. Therefore, from this point of view, all possible steps should be taken to prevent adulteration. The farmers suffer because they spend money on costly seeds in order that they may get best possible crops, but what they find is that the seeds are adulterated. Why has not government taken any steps in this regard? Next para. Now come to the question of fertilizers. Again, these are of vital importance, but at one single stroke the government has doubled the prices of fertilizers and expects farmers to procure them in the higher quantities, whereas the higher prices make it impossible for the farmers to purchase them. The previous governments referred to the Agricultural Prices Commission. The commission has fixed the price at a certain level without taking into account the cost of production of the farmers. If the cost of production is not taken into account, then it is difficult to see on what basis the Agricultural Prices Commission fixed the prices. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.